Hi, Kritika.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, very nice. I like the details of the details in the eye. All the lines are very good. Yeah, you have to try your best to get the symmetry in the right side and left side. So it is looking good. The eye size also has to be same, right eye and left eye. Okay, looks good.
Okay, sir.
So few more are joining. So let's wait for another one or 2 minutes. Then we'll start. Hi Madhu. Hi Shivani.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Anyone have anything to show? Homeworks?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is one is tiger. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Eyes are of same size almost. Nose is good. So right and left. Otherwise, the white area that also has to be. You have to try for symmetrical shape. Okay. So otherwise, good handling of watercolor. The good handling of oil pastels. So it is looking good. Good work, Shivani.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's get started. So today we are going to make hi Mukund. Let's make a portrait. First, you can observe. So how I'm going to make the portrait. And after that, just a close up of a face we are going to do. That is all. I'll change the camera and show you. Okay, so here is my, so in this today's artwork, the proportion is very important. Okay. So just for clarity, I'm just trying to draw on the masking tape. Okay, you don't have to draw this. So I'm making this line to show the boundary. Okay. Nearby there is some construction work. So you might hear some noises from my end. Okay, so this is okay. Here is the so in this big face I'm going to make. So I'm going to make a big face. Before that, in the paper, so this you don't have to draw. So I'm trying to demonstrate how it is going to come. How it is going to come. So The face, so maybe we'll start with a line in the middle. Then after that, so we will right and left the equal distance. We mark these points. Then we will try to make this shape. Okay. Then we will make a line here. This is for the eye, and another line is for the eyebrow. This is for the eye. Okay, and the proportions that in the basic sketching classes we learned, that I'll mark a point here, mark a point here, then in between I divide into three. Okay, divide into three, like this, three areas. Okay, so all has to be equal. Okay, so then we can draw eye like this. We can draw eye like this. Then the eyebrow is easy. Okay. Then nose should be between this eyebrow and chin. So between eyebrow and chin, here I make a line, and here is going to be the nose. Then between this nose and the chin, so I am going to divide into three equals. Okay, so in the first division, we will have the mouth. So it will be like this. Okay, so it will be like this. And so this girl will have a lot of hair and curly hair, and it's going to be full dark. Here also it's going to be full dark. Full dark. Okay, so this is what we'll make it. So this is what we are going to make it. So first we'll this what. So now I'm going to do the same here. So in the center, I'm trying to draw a line in the center. Do not draw darker lines. Make it very light. Okay. Anyway, we will erase it. The eraser. But I'm trying to draw very light line. Draw very light line. So some, let's say that she's wearing some t-shirt. So we'll make some line, curve also like this. So, so I'm going to make the chin somewhere here. Marking the chin here, then right side. So I'm just making this point, this point. So should be try to make sure it is both of this and this are of equal. Okay, equal. Then only you get the symmetry. So just try your best, not to worry. Try your best. So making this curve like this. Take some time, adjust it. Just making another curve in the right side. Okay, then so I'm going to make the eye. So this okay. So making a line here. This line this is for the eyebrow. So deciding the position of the eyebrow to be somewhere here. Then is the line or position for the eye. So eye is not in the end, so there is a gap. And so this is the line for the eye, and this. So I need to divide this into 3 equals. So this you need to do it carefully and correctly. Okay, so after that, yeah, so you need to take time and do it properly. Okay, so then after that you have to show me, then I'll can correct it. So the positions only marking right now. The nose, as we know, it is between the eyebrow and the chin. So right in the middle between eyebrow and chin. So here, this is the position of the nose. Okay, so this is the position of the nose between the eyebrow and the chin. So between eyebrow and chin. Then between nose and the chin, I have to divide into 3 equals. 3 equals, and in the first division, so I'm going to make a line, and this is for the mouth. This line is for the mouth. So do this properly. Maybe in this stage itself, you can show me. And neck we can make. Someone make another line. This is for the shirt, the dress color. Okay, I'm seeing from Shivani. So looks like you have divided. So maybe I would say you need more practice. But you can go on with this, but look at this. So the gap between two eyes is more. Okay, the right eye appears to be smaller. That is one thing. Then the nose has to be in between this eyebrow and chin. So it is little lower, the position of the nose. In the mouth also, it is in between these two. You have to divide into three. But the position of mouth, what you have drawn, is in the middle. Okay. So you get a face, but there are some minor issues actually. That if you do it properly, then only you'll get it actually. Okay. Um, so that is why I drawn twice actually.
Sir, is mine fine?
Okay, Mukund, I see that eyes you have divided properly, and the position of the nose has gone up. Okay, it should be between the eyebrow and the chin, right in the middle. But the nose position has gone up for you. Otherwise, rest all things are fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Maybe yeah. So you can correct it if you're interested. Otherwise, it is okay. We can. So I'm seeing from Kritika. Okay, looks cool. Okay, Kritika. I'm not able to see it very clearly. So everything is very light. But I guess it is okay. It's okay, I think. Okay, so I'm going to see from Madhu. So the eye looks okay. Nose also fine. So okay, lip also fine. Okay, looks good, Madhu. But overall, the face is looking little elongated, but that is all right. Okay, so that is all right. Okay, so we can start with some details. So we can draw the eye. So I'm going to draw the eye. So this, in the sketching class we have done this. Okay, so I'm making this shape for the eye. So it is rising up nicely. Then it is slant. It is going out. So in the bottom, you don't have to do much. It's a simple and smaller curve in the bottom. And for the eyebrow, it is a simple, so little bit it is going up and making a nice curve in the end. So this is eyebrow. And for the eyeball, so we can make this nice eyeball. Okay, so let me make one. So there is another line, but we'll do it later. So I'm going to make another eye. So making it almost in the same shape and same size. This is another eye. So the curve in the lower part is little smaller. So trying to make a bigger eyeball like this. And I can make the eyebrow also. It is going up a little bit, then making a nice curve. For the nose, it is more easier. I can make a curve in the right side, in the left side, and another curve in the right side. So remember the 3-ball approach that we did during our sketching class. After that, the line comes down. So there is a curve. It comes down a little bit like this. It's a line, curvy line from the left and curvy line from the right. Both are joining in the middle. Then we can make the lips. It is a simple curve in the middle, like this. Then we can make a curve to the right, and another curve to the left. So finally, it becomes like a bow and arrow. The lower lip is bigger actually. So I'll make a line here. Compared to the upper lip, lower lip is bigger. I make a line here. Then after that, you don't have to make a line, but you can make a very, very thin line, which can connect to the lips. So I'm done with this. Now maybe the right side little bit. So I want to do the correction. Okay, so complete the sketch. Then after that, we'll make the color, apply the color. So when we apply the color, we need to erase many things. Maybe the dress I'll make something like this. It is fully covered sweater-like thing. So now I am erasing the line in the middle. It's a very clear, stronger line, so that I'm erasing. I've erased the line in the middle, the first line that we do. Then I must erase the line for the eye and the line for the eyebrow. Completely erase. I have to erase these lines. The line within the eye also I'm erasing it. So otherwise these lines can be very light. So in the lip, line in the middle need not be very straight. So that can follow the shape of the upper lip a little bit. So it will be like this. Okay, eye is corrected very nicely. Nose is little small, but it is all right actually. It is all right. Okay, looks good, Shivani. Looks nice.
Sir, is the lips correct or it is no?
But just a minute. Some problem with my speakers. Tell me, Shivani. It is looking good. So
Is the lip small or is it correct?
lips is fine. That is fine. So the only correction may be the curve in the right. Okay, so it is very close to the eye here, right? So look at this distance. It is little more, and moreover, this line, it is the curve is happening like this. So for you, the curve, the line comes down straight. You have drawn like this. Comes straight, then it curves, right? So instead of coming straight, it can curve like this, and that will look better. So you can correct only this. Otherwise, all the things are good. Okay, so we can color it and show me if you want correction. You can show me. I like to see if you have done properly. So I'm trying to erase it a little bit. I'm not erasing 100%. I'm erasing a little bit.
Sir, is this fine?
Okay, I'm seeing from Madhu and Mukund. So Madhu has done like this. Madhu looks like already erased. Okay, the details appear good. The curve in the lower part of the eye need not be too much. Can be very light curve you can do for the lower part. The upper curve can be good, but lower curve need not be very curvy. And so why it is? I mean, mouth looks like it is not in the straight line. Mouth looks like a little bit shifted to the left. Okay, so that you need to be careful about it. Okay, so eyes and nose and mouth all in center, right? So that is why the vertical line we drew. But the mouth appears a little bit left side. But okay, that's a minor thing. Okay, looks good. Yeah. So I'm seeing from Mukund. Okay, Mukund. Okay, good. Okay, looks good. Yeah. I'm seeing from Kritika. Okay. Okay, everything looks good, Kritika. The nose appears to be small. Okay, nose has to be a little bigger, but it's all right. Okay, eye details are good and all the things are good. So I'm going to erase lips also. Okay, so looks like I've erased and we are ready to start. First, we'll start with the eye. So I'm just taking white. So I'm taking camera more closer. So I've taken white. So I'm just applying this white for the so applying white here. Anyway, highlight we are going to leave out space, but still I would apply some white so that some blending will be little easier. Um, White and so now in the left side, I mean, it's a little bit of. So I want to make. You can make green eyes also. Light green, you can do it. So I'm using this sky blue. Sky blue. So gray and blue we can do. Or white also we can mix. So this white, so little bit of blue and little bit of gray I touched. Then so you need to leave out, do it only in the left side. In the right side, I am not doing. This much is enough. This much is enough. Now we can take this our darker pencil, right? Darker pencil. So in the middle, we want to make it more darker. So here is the lines on. There is another. This round I'm making. So that is for the highlight. But in the middle, I'm going to make it full dark. This is how I make it full dark in the middle. And so I can make this line. So this line and this eye also I can make it. So maybe we should not do it, but it encourages. It looks good because around that we need to apply skin. But so I'm very light. I'm applying. Okay, so very light. I'm applying. In the top little bit using the pencil itself, I'm trying to give some shading in the top with the pencil itself. Okay, so I'm doing little bit shading in the top, not dark shading, light shading. Give some light shading. With this, it is done. Now you can take. So the earbud and you can start blending with the earbud. I can do some blending. So around this highlight round we have made. So a little bit blending I did in the top and the whole thing looks better now. Still a little bit of blue we can see in the bottom. So this is good. So later we'll make it, when we finish the artwork, at that time also we'll make it darker. So now this much is good enough. So we have to do the other side also. On the other side, I'm starting with the white now. If some mistake happens, probably you can little bit remove and create a highlight. So I can think about creating a highlight in there are double. See here, I create a simple highlight like this. Small. Here, this is what I do. Okay. So start with this white. Then I'm applying this blue. So I applied some blue. Then I can blend. I mean, little bit of gray also I'm applying. of gray also applied. I take white again and trying to blend it. Okay, so this is what I have done. So the camera has to focus. Okay, now I got the focus. Okay, now I'm using the pencil. Making this line darker. The middle also I can make it darker like this. Then create a highlight. Okay, then some shading in the top. A thin line for the eye, then shading in the top. Okay, some shading in the top. Then I take the earbud and make it very clear. Nice blending I do. You don't have to press very hard. Just press light when you do the blending. Okay, so time being, this is good enough. So later we'll do. No, Sriram, later join பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
சார் நான் வந்து ஸ்கூல்ல இருந்து இப்பதான் சார் விட்டு வந்தேன்.
ஓ, அப்படியா?
ஆமா சார். கொஞ்சம் லேட் ஆயிடுச்சு சார். தட் ஆல்.
கேம்ஸா?
சார் நோ சார். Reception later only they call sir. That only sir. So that only later sir.
சரி, ஓகே ஓகே.
Okay sir.
ஸோ நீங்க இப்போ ஃபாலோ பண்றது கஷ்டம் தான். ஸோ முடிஞ்சா பண்ணுங்க, இல்லைன்னா யூ ஹேவ் டு ட்ரா திஸ் ஃபேஸ் எல்லாமே இருக்கு, எப்படி வரையுதுன்னு நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். ஸோ அது மாதிரி வரைஞ்சா நல்லா இருக்கும்.
Okay sir.
Otherwise you have to see this video, then video பார்த்து you can do it. Okay.
Sir, 1 minute sir. Yesterday I draw the homework sir.
By the way, this is your last class of oil pastels.
Yes sir.
Okay. So அடுத்த course வந்து with watercolors and that starts December 8th. So அடுத்த வாரம் கிளாஸ் இல்ல, அடுத்து December 8th ல இருந்து watercolor classes start ஆகுது இந்த பேட்சுக்கு. So
okay sir.
Okay. So I have this light pink and the darker magenta kind of color. So this I'm going to use it for the lips. Maybe lips kuda we can do it later. So first one we'll do the skin color நம்ம கொடுத்துறலாம். So அதுக்கப்புறம் we'll do the lips. Then it will be more easier. Okay. So skin color, probably we can use this one. Okay, so look at this color. I don't know what is the name of this color. Peach color, like so it is like a peach color actually, right?
I don't have that color.
It's something equivalent.
Sir, its name is flesh tint. Sir, I only have like orange and yellow, those type of colors. So I have to buy those.
Okay, so then you don't have to do apply this.
Sir, can I try orange and white or something? Orange and white.
I don't think it will be good. So because face color, how do you put orange? I have not seen any face with orange.
No. I want to mix orange with white.
Okay, try it, whatever you like. Try it, let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm applying some white. Okay, so white in the cheeks. Here I'm applying white in the right and left cheeks. I'm applying white. Also in the nose, middle of the nose. Okay, in the cheeks I have applied some white. Okay, so then rest of the places I'm going to apply the peach kind of color actually, or skin tint Mukund was telling, so something like that. Okay, so this color when you apply, so it is giving me, look at this. So this is the tone it is giving me. So we have to apply this.
Where did you apply now?
So let's apply this. So this we have to apply throughout the face. Anyway, I'm going to use the tissue paper to blend it. So don't worry. So just you can apply like this. So when you do it close to the eye, you have to be careful. Because already we have that black line, so it should not touch the black line. Can be a little closer. So I'm applying in the eyebrow also because already I've erased it. But those pencil lines will become a little thicker actually when you apply. So automatically it becomes a little thicker. That's why we erase the pencil lines. So it is okay for the sides. Okay, so I apply it like this. So in the cheeks, I have not applied. I already have the white there. So now on top of this, some white also we can apply. So lighter color. Some white, if I apply, what happens? So it is adding a lot of oil pastels, and to an extent, it will try to blend. But still, the paper white you can see, and it is not a clear spread of the oil pastels. So always to have clear spread of the oil pastels, we use the tissue paper. So I'm having the tissue paper and just applying over this. So this is making the face tint very soft. So making the face is a little more challenging only. Make sure you don't touch that black lines, so they will spread too much. So for me, it is quite soft and simple. Anyway, further, we are going to use brown for some shading. All that we are going to use. Light brown, dark brown, all that we are going to use. The use of okay, just do this and let's see. Use of even earbud for blending may be a nice idea. But it's okay. So we have done this. So we'll use light brown, dark brown, but I'm going to start with this nose. We can do later. First, this eye line I can make a little darker like this. This line for the eyebrow also I'm making it darker now. Time being, it is a simple line that I'm trying to draw. So the lower line almost I have not drawn. Maybe if needed, I can draw very light. Okay, so little later, even black, we will use it. So time being, I just made this little darker. So I'm going to use this brown and do some shading here. So I'm not pressing very hard. So I'm trying to give some shading between this eyebrow and eye. Okay, so I have applied a little brown for both the sides. So little brown I have applied. Maybe I'll make some line for the nose also with this. So there's a curve in the right and there's a curve in the left. This line and this line. So some mild line you can. So you can do this. So I'm just making some little bit of line, lighter line. So this with the brown and light brown. Okay, then the skin color, whatever you have used, you can use that for. So lighter colors, you can always use it for blending. That lighter color, I'm trying to use it for the blending. So it does a good blending. So I've used this lighter color for blending. See how nicely it blends. It is nicely blended. So I have blended with this color, doing the blending in the around the nose. Also, I'm doing the blending. Below the nose also, little bit you can do this blending. So I'm thinking maybe not only this place, we'll do some more brown, light brown. Okay, so light brown in the left side also. Sometime we can plan some lighting plan also we can do. So I'm trying to apply a little bit in the left side. Okay, so this is light blue. I'm applying only here. Sorry, light brown. So I'm applying here. So this area, I just wanted to make it more darker. Again, taking the peach color and trying to blend it. If you are not satisfied with this blending, and if you want to do more smoother blending, you need to take the earbud. First, let me apply whatever the tone required. Then after that, I'll, okay, what other place? Below the lips also, I will, below the lips also. So little bit of this light brown I'm applying. Okay, so below the lips also I'm applying. So lips we need to do the pink and all those colors. I'm just thinking that we'll finish this, then finally we'll do the lips. So here also I'm blending with this peach color, which is the background color. So okay, so here also I have done a little bit. Okay, so try to do it a little faster. So now it's already, so today maybe we are going very slow. So I'm taking dark brown and going to apply at some places. So I'm doing it here. Okay, so now the left side of the nose I'm doing this dark brown. I'm trying to apply. Okay, so right side nose only here I'm trying to do. Left side in the top also a little bit. So only a few places I've touched this dark brown. So this is giving us more depth. Dark brown I have touched. Okay, so maybe to blend it again, I'm taking the face, the background color, trying to apply over that. That is making it softer. So again, I'm using peach color to make it more softer. Yeah, it is not so easy with a smooth face. It is a little tough with oil pastels, but some faces with some good lighting, so that can be drawn easily. So I have another homework, so that I'll show it. That's another face which is having better lighting and contrast. Okay, so like this slowly we have to improve on it. And as I said, if you want more smoother, you can take the earbud, don't press very hard, press little light and slowly blend it. So that's going to take a lot of time, but you will get good results. Slowly you can control the dark tone wherever you want. So the earbud is a fantastic one to control. It's going to take a lot of time with the earbud. The results will be good. Good shading can be done with the earbud. I'm trying to see with the earbud. Now it's already a little darker. So I'm going to make a line, a light line. Look at this near this nose. So making this mild line. So this kind of controls you can do with the earbud. Mild line I'm making near the nose. Because this line makes a curve and try to come towards this mouth. So this kind of subtle, nice and mild things you can do with the earbud. Okay. Okay, so now it is good enough. Lips, eyes will finish, lips will finish, and the dress color will do. Then background also we have to do. So now I'm going to finish the eyes.
Sir, then what about the hair?
So I can take the pastel. So I wanted to make it a little more darker.
Sir, will we draw hair?
Okay. So I make this with this, but you have to do it a little carefully. So see, I'm making this line for the eye darker now with this pastel. It is quite thick and that's all right. So, but I'm making a second line also above the eye. Here, look at this second eyelash I do. Then little bit of eyelashes I can do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, some eyelashes I've done, and the eyebrow I made it little thicker. So look at this right eye and the left eye. There is a good, looks better. The right eye looks better. Now, I'm going to do the same for the left eye also. So I'm just making it a little thicker. This black pastels. Eyelashes also I'm doing. The second line for the upper eyelid, I'm making that. Now I'm making eyebrow. Okay, so now I made it more darker. Eye is getting better now. Okay, so now I'm using pencil for the lower line. Definitely, I don't want to do it with the oil pastels. I'm using the pencil, and this lower line I'm doing like this. The lower line also has these eyelashes, so that I've added. Okay, so I've added this. So I added this, and the top, so it is, I'm trying to give a little bit of shading kind of thing. I want to make it darker, so a little bit of shading. Okay, so I did a little bit of shading here. Here also a little bit of mild. Okay, don't press very hard. A little bit of shading I have done with this pencil. Okay, so this is giving me enough darker thing. So now the earbud I can, so if you want, you can blend it out. So with the earbud also, you can, for the eyebrow and the eye lines, whatever you made, you can try to make it a little soft. But it's okay. Let's do the other things. Okay, so do this, then let's do the lips. Nose, I don't have to do anything. But maybe with the black, I can make the nostrils here. So I can make a line here. Simple line like this. Okay, so now this looks a little darker. So this is good enough. So lips, upper lips has to be darker, lower lips has to be lighter. So I'm first starting with this lighter pink. Okay, so this color. See what color I'm using. So this color I can apply for the upper lip. Okay, it's very light, and for lower lip also I'm applying same. Okay, so after applying these, then now I use the earbud to spread it uniformly. So now it is simple and nice, has spread uniformly. So light pink I have applied. Now dark pink I need to do light line with a, you have to be very careful, but very light, very light line. Middle line I have done with the pencil, very light. Then this darker magenta color or pink color that I'm going to apply. But I'm using lighter brown, just making the lip, this shape I'm trying to, upper lip shape. So I'm trying to make it with the light brown, little bit. Okay, so not too much, little bit. So light brown. Now I'm applying this darker color for the upper lip. The upper lip is a little darker always. Okay, I've applied a little darker color for the upper lip. For the lower lip, so some lines like this. With this, I'm just making few lines. There's a line from the left, line from the right. Okay, so then I'm making these lines. Right. Only these lines I've made like this. So always you can use the earbud to make some nice blending. If required. Okay, so this is done. So we are done with the face. We have to do the background.
Sir,
Yes.
will we do the hair?
Hair, yes, we will do the hair. Hair வந்து ரொம்ப simple தான். So it's called curly hair. It's going to come in the front of the face. So pure black, we are going to use it and make the curly hair. That is all. Hair is going to be very simple. Okay, so I'll use this lips color, same probably for the bindi. So bindi also I have used the pink or magenta color. So to make it more realistic, a little bit of shadow in the upper part. So all the fine things you can do with the earbud like this. Look at this in the below the eye, there will be a little bit of shadow. So that also I'm trying to do it. It looks pure like the white, but I'm trying to give a little bit of shadow. So given little bit of shadow in the upper eye. Okay, so there are a lot other things we can do like this. But now I'm going to stop. So I'm going to make the dress. So you can think about, you can use any color as you like. So I'm doing this. So this is green. I'm using this light green, sap green. Then this is my very dark. Yeah, you can use dark blue or dark green. So with this, this dress has these lines. So I'm making these lines. So I made these lines and then. So here also, if you want some shadow, you can use the pencil and try to make light shadow with the pencil. Then after that, you can blend it with the pencil. You can make like pencil sketch. You can make light shadows like this. Then after that, with the earbud, you can earbud also don't press very hard. So you can blend it like this. That gives light shadow. So earbud is very important for oil pastels, and you can do a lot of magics can happen with the earbud. So last week I did a video that light rays. That also you can try. Okay, so dress is done. Last thing is the hair. The curly hairs are going to be so much, and hats you don't see the ears. Now the curly hairs even coming. Look at this. They start coming over the eyes. See, I started drawing this curly. It's very easy. No, don't worry at all. Okay, so this is very easy. So like this, you can make the curly hair. So what about the face? The end of the face, it is. So with the black, I can draw a line for this. I can draw these boundaries like this. So this side also, I draw this line, the face line like this. The dress also I draw like this. So I've drawn these boundaries. Now I can There are so many hairlines you can draw like this. So rest all the places you have to completely fill it with the black, and that we can use the tissue paper and quickly we can make it full dark. So after becoming full dark, little bit of white also we can apply, little bit, look like some shiny hairs. So I'll show you. Okay, so the black pastel has been done. So next is the tissue paper thing. So I don't know how they make the black color, but it is very powerful, and when you do it, it quickly becomes black. Only black, 100% black it becomes. It becomes 100% black like this. So when you do it close to the face, you have to be careful. So if you're using the tissue paper, you have to be careful. But otherwise, you can think about using the earbud also, right? So in other classes we have done. So we can use the earbud also to do it carefully, close to the face. So now the earbud has picked up this dark thing, so which I can use it for some shading below the face like this. The t-shirt. So again, another earbud magic. Okay, so the right side is complete. Left side also complete. Okay, so left side also a little bit complete. Some area close to this, I use the earbud. So now this lot of hair, it's going to come over the dress also a little bit. So it's coming over the dress also like this in the right side. So also in the left side. Okay, so these hairlines are coming now. I can use white also. A complete black we applied, and with the tissue paper we flattened it. So now I can apply white. Look at this. So over this black, I can apply white like this. Look at this white getting applied. Okay, so here also can be make the hairstyle. Now you know how to make the hairstyle, bunch of hairs. So all that in the sketching class I've spoken. The hair design you can make. Now I'm using white over the black. So a little bit of white can be applied like this. So this is good enough to give a feel of the nice hair. Okay, so this is good enough to give the feel of a nice hair. We could do this because we have made the black very flat. Okay, so now I have applied like this. This white I have applied like this. So why she is not smiling? So I'm going to take, see, using earbud. So I'm little bit picking up some darker color. Okay, so the darker brown here, it is a little darker. So I'm going to make it a little bit apply here actually. This darker brown. So the lip line is going up a little bit, and so I'm trying to make her little smile. So I make a small curve here. So with this, I have with the earbud, I picked up little darker color from this dark brown. Okay, so the brown color I picked up a little bit and applying here actually. So now looks like she is smiling a little bit. Okay, finally we made her a little happy. Okay, so I'll wait for some more time. So you can complete and show.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Sriram.
So shall I show the homework, sir?
Oh yes, please show it.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'm on the camera.
Oh, this is very, very good. Fantastic. So here the white and a lot of scrapping also will happen. Okay, this is good work, good selection and very good, nicely done. So this cock will be very good, nicely done, good work. So you have learned the technique of oil pastels. Looking
Thank
very,
you, sir.
yeah, very good, very good. So I can quickly show the homework for this face portrait also. A lot of brown I have applied in the face. Look at this. A lot of brown I have applied in the face. The background also there, and there is a hairstyle and all that. Okay, so by the way, she is my daughter, and okay, so this is, look at the lips also. Some brown also I mixed in the lips. Okay, so I'll share the video. Okay, so now share your works. I'm seeing from Mukund. So Mukund, that brown you have applied, and brown வந்து கொஞ்சம் blend பண்ணணும் அந்த face peach color வச்சு blend பண்ணணும் skin tone வச்சு. So I'm not sure if you have done it. Okay, so it become the மூக்கு பக்கத்துல it become very dark, maybe dark brown.
Okay,
So light brown யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கணும். Okay, okay, nice, good work. Okay, so I'm seeing from Madhu also. Okay, looks good, Madhu. So you managed it to make it a little lighter actually. So I thought it will become very dark, but you made it light and it is looking good. Okay, so nice work. The upper lip has to be darker actually compared to the lower lip. So that is the one thing. Okay, looks good. Good work, Madhu. But கடைசி வரைக்கும் உங்க masking tape எல்லாம் போடாம you have managed it. Okay, that's good. It's better to, okay, Kritika, I'm seeing from Kritika. Okay, nice. So still other eye you have to make, but details are very good, Kritika. Looks good, looks good. So one more eye, the right eye looks good, left eye to be a little more darker, so that you have to match both the eyes, darkness and sizes. Darkness you have to match it. Left eye has to become more darker. Okay. Okay, good work. I'll wait to see from Shivani. Looks like Shivani is doing the hair. Okay. Oh, look at this, how beautifully the face has become very soft and nicely is a light brown. So all of you look at this, how soft and colorful Shivani's the portrait looks very good, Shivani. So you have chosen a blue color for the dress, so that is also very good. The bindi also good, nicely done, very good work. Okay, so nice, and the lips also has nice depth, light and dark. Okay, so nose has to be a little bigger, but otherwise it's all right. Looks good, Shivani, very good. Good work.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Mukund, Madhu, Kritika, Sriram. So I've seen from all of you. Okay, so we have completed the course. Okay, all the best, guys. So those interested to join watercolor, please let me know. Have fun. Okay. Any questions? So any questions? So if not, I'll close the meeting. So Mukund is still doing beautification.
How did you make it looking a bit smiling?
Yes, yes. For smiling, look at this. This is small curves I made. Okay, so you pick up the colors, the darker color here, there are darker colors, right? So that little bit, the brown, dark brown, you can pick it with the earbud. That you can apply here actually, here and here. The small curve I have done it. That makes it look, that looks like she's smiling. Okay, so these soft and fine details you can do with the earbud. Some shading in the top eye also, here also I've done. Here also some these lines I've added. Okay. Okay, hope you can do it. Okay, so are you doing, Shivani? Okay, bye everyone.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yes, Sriram, bye bye.